I don't either, boss. That's them back there. Yes, sir. Sewer crew, sorry about you. Don't put that one on there. I smile and I'm like, yeah, it's as cool as I thought it was. Or I might go, damn, never mind, sorry, Will. You're gonna get so annoyed with me, bro. Slight adventure there. Okay, let's see what we need. Hawaii's been getting some love, dude. Even got Will in the truck today. It was kind of cool. 308, bingo, and the 265 Forks bucket. A couple of buckets for those guys. They're gonna start laying some water line. Got some crossings. We're fixing to cross this highway. It's a beautiful bean field. Look at this. Hey, are you okay? Okay, Will? God bless you, sir. Just we got this beautiful bean field across the street. We got to dig up the water main across the street and head this way. The original contract for us was about 3,000 foot of storm drain install, and we knocked that out. You guys have probably already seen us do the storm drain install in here, but we just picked up the water line. But kudos to the guys. They flat slated enough that the contractor looked at us and said, hey, would you mind just going ahead and taking care of this for us too? We're like, you bet. All right, guys, back out at the design build driveway. We had some issues. You can see there's silt down here in these ditch lines, and the B-stone was too small. You know, we thought the 4 to 6 inch range was going to work. Again, there's no engineer to tell us. This is all just assumed. And we don't try to hide nothing from y'all. Silt hit that and absolutely pushed silt across the driveway immediately. It just packed all the pores, the water stored up, and basically if it wasn't right at the collection point, it was running right over. So working on getting everything dug out. We've got skid steers behind here getting topsoil on everything that's basically been touched. Anything that's red dirt that ain't gonna grass grow, we're putting brown dirt on it, hauling some dirt out. We've got some good looking brown dirt that we're gonna dress the pond dam up. We're gonna dress everything up top with, and then this entire hillside you see these guys working on. But I just wanted to address that. We're gonna walk down this hill real quick and show you what Bill's been working on. It looks so much better. We're digging it out and he's working his way up the hill. We're basically running about 2 buckets worth of shot rock, a lot bigger rock, give some more volume and area for storage of that silt, and then lining the edges with B-stone. So hopefully the silt gets caught at the B-stone, water runs through into the shot rock, down and through and out. Anyhow, I just wanted to come out here, and sometimes we make mistakes. And I just wanted to be visible with that mistake. And it wasn't really a mistake. You never really know. You just don't until a major rain event. We got about 4 inches in about 2.5 hours. Absolutely dumped on us. The pond's holding water to the overflow pipe. We've got to throw some waders on, throw that dude in there, and get that taken care of. So their customer's going to build a dock. We were kind of debating whether they were going to do it now. We're going to try and catch the spring rains. If we got to pump it out, shouldn't be an issue. Kind of going back and forth, but from where this place, it was when we showed up compared to what it looks like now is just 2 totally different places. Let's go check this out real quick. All this was basically that existing driveway that came down. It needed brown dirt, needed a little bit of topsoil of some sort. So Zeus, we got Spencer helping Bill get all of this associated. So he's gonna get everything hydroseed and shot this weekend. So we wanted to ensure that we were ready for him. Customers like, hey, when I do this, I'm not a big topsoil laydown guy. Like at the end, I'll give you structure, I'll give you foundation, but call a landscaper, like truly to get you to that point. We're dirt guys, we're pipe guys, we're not landscapers. There's a big difference. So just want you homeowners that if you're sitting here watching this, there's a huge difference between the guys that'll come in here and foundationally set this and the guys that'll come and take the weeds out of the flower beds at the end. So get with a good landscaper, and that's what they're doing. It worked out, made sense. Hey, we had to come back and fix some silt remediation. We're gonna go ahead and line everything and get some topsoil in here. Landscapers were like, hey, this makes way more sense. We're gonna hydroseed that anyways, go ahead. So here we go. You can see Bill went ahead and redug all this ditch back out. He's gonna place shot rock just like right here behind us. Oh God, Spencer, don't flip it. You can see how much silt got packed right here at the base of the drive where basically 2 culverts meet. You can see how much silt packed in there. So what Bill has done is we've dug that out and placed shot rock through the middle. I mean, it's a lot bigger rock than the 4 to 6 B stone. You know, this would be all classified as B stone in our area. Silt can pack through that crack in pretty quick, where 2 of those 2 rocks, water can still flow through, right? So, looks great through here. Good.
That's just what remained after it rained, you know what I'm saying?
They're getting good coverage on the brown dirt. He's trying to shoot it this weekend.
Just shoot it Saturday noon, so I might have to get it all spread out. I gotta clean all this up. And then...
Yeah, but I like what's going on here. Good.
So he's gonna do it Saturday at like 10, 11, so I guess.
Looks good up through there. Look at that, man.
Have a good day of moving that fucking dirt. What's up with that face?
Man, that machine looks sick sitting there, don't it?
Yeah, it looks like it's got some super wide track.
Yeah, it does. It really does.
Yeah.
I'm fixing to hop in it for a couple hours. They've got 8 hours of demo time on it, so I'm gonna run it for a couple hours and do some work with it. But then I'll leave the rest of the time to and them boys, as long, or yeah, you know what I mean.
Yep.
Um,
I'll come out here.
you bet. How's Bill?
I'm doing good.
Okay.
They're digging out that last little trench for the neighbor. They're working on getting all that shot rock in the topsoil.
How's Rusty?
Doing good. He's up
Good.
there at Snyder. He just called me because he said, yes, going all the bells.
Got it.
Yeah, then I was talking to Luba about that vertical. I guess the city does want us to put the vertical in because we do got to get that separation.
Yeah, no, just tell me about that. Where do you have the rest of them boys at? Spread out between those two?
Academy, Bill's at Shaw Place, and then Rusty at Snyder. Nate's at Academy. Nate and Toby, and they're doing backfill.
Okay. All right, I like